I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a bunch of birds up there in the corner. A new bird went in the nest that's been there for years, and we have new baby birds. Right now Misty's looking at them through the window. They're just up there at the top. Right now, through the peephole. Misty's right here. Trying to get to them. But yeah, they're right up there. Saw the mama bird leave a few minutes ago. But yeah, you can hear them chirping. Quite loud. Hi, birdies! I'm gonna go outside and see if I can spot them. They're right up there in that nest. Oh, I hear the wrong bird speaking. The baby birds are up there, but there's some bird yapping it up in the tree. Can't really see him. But he's somewhere up there. Oh, I see him. Yeah, you can't see him on the screen, but he's like brown with red on the head. But yeah, he's just yapping. But yeah, it's right up there. Oh! Jumping up to see. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, that's it.